Hey guys, welcome back to another CV Linens video. Today I'll be showing you how you can monogram your polyester napkins. First, start with an iron napkin. Then proceed to find the place setting of where you wish to place your design. Next, prepare your design for heat. Make sure to follow the instructions on your design's package. The letters I am using require applying heat on the top and bottom for 20 seconds with the thin material. Therefore, I just used another napkin in between to apply the heat. Lastly, you'll want to fold your napkin and iron any areas out to give your napkins a clean look. Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. You can go ahead and shop our polyester napkin selection at cvlinens.com. Also, don't forget to stop by our social platforms to get some more event inspiration and check out some of our latest videos. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one.